All right, today I have a Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this Nissan Frontier. I'm going to show you how to open the hood so you can access things underneath the hood, such as windshield washer fluid, brake fluid, transmission fluid, oil, whatever you want underneath there, the battery, whatever you want. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting in a Nissan Frontier behind the steering wheel. In order to access the hood, I'm first going to make sure my vehicle's in park, and then I am going to make sure I'm on a flat, level surface, perhaps put on the parking brake, and stop the engine. All right, stop the engine by pressing that. Then I'm going to look down towards the feet. All right, look down towards the feet. And I'm opening the door because it makes this a little bit more accessible in order to find how to open the hood. So you look down here, not that, that's for the parking brake, other things right there, and I am going to look right here. You see this button right here? It's not a button, it's a lever. So what I do is I'm going to pull this. See how I pulled that? Now I have access to underneath the hood, and I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And I am going to access it right here. So this is the hood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it to the left, and I'll show you what I'm doing. And slide this to the left, and then raise the hood. And this model does not need a kickstand to open it up, so it's wide open. And the part that I am showing you is this lever right here. So what I did is I put my finger in, put it down, and slid it over like that. And I have access to underneath the hood. And when I'm done, I'm simply going to take the hood and shut it, use a little bit of muscle power, and boom, just like that. And that is how you open and close a hood on a Nissan Frontier, this particular model. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.